What's good, everybody, y'all? You know what I'm saying, man? I hope y'all good today. Today, I am coming to you with another video, another new sneaker that I just got. And, again, y'all know me for me. So, welcome. And today, we got another package. Yes, sir. I don't know if it's me, but I feel like I have Luka magic in me, Like, it's just crazy. I'm getting from different plugs, a lot more content, a lot more stuff coming to the channel soon, a lot more different stuff, which is good, and I hope to continue that as long as y'all mess with it. And yeah, man, it's just really good, it's just really good to show this type of stuff to y'all, because y'all need to save money, and if y'all don't save money, who's gonna tell you to? Nobody. But enough about that. So I got another package that I got from a recent company that basically their plug sent to me to review, and I don't know what it is, but let's see. As you can see, we got the knife, we got the box, so let's cut this bitch open. It's a struggle opening this bitch. Bubble wrap, gone. So, damn, they really beat up the box. Like, look at this shit, yo. Look at this, they beat up the box. Like, y'all don't see that? It took a beating on its way over here. Even on the side too. It looked like, those old purses that your moms used to have and shit? And it looks like a dent, look like it has a backbone and it's fucking ass is all messed up and shit. But yeah, that's what it looked like. And it says, yeah, size 8. Even though this is not my size, because we know that for the channel we are really yacht gang, but you know what I mean, size 11, big man, you feel me? But this right here is for a particular someone, but I ain't gonna say that name really, because it's more of a private thing. So yeah, other than that, let's look inside of it. What else I got? Came with a keychain. Okay, the Carmine Ones keychain. Look at that shit, yo. Look at that, yo. That shit's clean as hell. What else they came with? Nike socks. Even though I'm not gonna wear this, but thank you for sending me this though, for real. What else they came with? Oh shit. Yeah, I feel so envious of this person right now, man. Really envious. Like, this is crazy. We have the City Market dunks in my hand, and like, yo, like, look at this shoe. Let's take our time to just admire this shoe, like, for real. This shoe is amazing. Like, it's just really amazing. Like, just look at this. Look what it says right here. Look what it says right here. It says, thank you for caring. That is so dope. Even what's this on the side too? Is this a zipper on the side? Yo, this is nuts. It reminds me of the Grateful Dead Bear zipper. Like, you can store shit in here. Imagine storing like a $20 bill here just in case you forget, and you just wear the same shoe the next day to remind yourself that. This is crazy. I did not know that they put a zipper inside this shoe. Look at this. Look at the zipper, bro. Look at the zipper, man. That's ridiculous. They got everything on here. They got literally almost legit everything on this shoe. Like, it's nuts. Everything. And it's made out of different materials, different type of fibers, all that. You got that hard tumble leather here. A different kind of tumble leather, if you ask me. That's crazy. This shoe is actually unbelievable. They did a really good job. Like, yo, Nike be doing the most craziest things with shoes too. Like, really crazy. And what else is here? Yeah, it has a lot of shit. Like, yo, let's take our time to admire this shoe, because This is ridiculous. I bet you they literally had to cut out threads to just attach this to the shoe. Like, it's just completely nuts. It's really nuts. Like, man, I don't even know what to say. Thank you to the plug for sending me this. Even though it's not in my size, I still got love for y'all. This is a really dope shoe. Even the back of the symbol Nike, it's like in some type of material, well, plastic material right here, as y'all can see. And the shoelaces is kind of like a wool type-ish, almost like rice packs. If you ask me, you know how y'all carry those big old bags of rice and shit? It kind of remind me of those type of material. And the swoosh as well, same thing, really. But overall, this shoe's really amazing. Whew. Whew, shit. Wow, that's a strong ass smell. Yeah, other than that, I love this shoe for sure. Like 10 for 10. These shoes go really well. They're amazing. They're clean, and I bet you there's nothing wrong on this shoe, because even if I was to do a black light on this, I wouldn't find anything because the materials of this, and it's kind of hard to identify the materials. But I don't see any flaws on this shoe except yeah, I don't see any flaws. I don't know why I say except. Other than that, the box was fucked up and everything. But yeah, this shoe came out perfectly nice, well detailed, well organized, and etc. So that's all I have to say about this shoe. Really, it was really awesome. I'm not gonna say 10 for 10. I'm probably gonna say I'll give the shoe about 9.5. And again, I'm being strict on this shoe. That's all I'm saying. I'm being strict on majority of the shoes that I get. So don't come at me in the comments. All right, even though if you were to, please, I don't mind. I don't mind feedback. I don't mind criticism at all. I don't at all. I'll still talk to you. Hey, but yeah, I don't mind it. But this shoe is really beautiful. I love this shoe, and I just wish this was my size, man. Like, I wish it was in my size. Damn, man. But it's okay. It's all right. But thank you again. Shout out to the plug for sending me this. I hope I work with y'all soon again, and we can post more content for y'all. You know what I mean? And shout out to y'all for watching my videos and stuff, because you know, without y'all, I don't think Dino would ever exist, really. Editing and all that extra stuff and other bullshit. Let's get to the on-foot review. Let's go.